Hello viewers. Today I will show you how to set up the data layer for Woocommerce. So before set up the data layer, you have to create your own Google Tag Manager account. So from here, create the account, and here you will put your container name, and here select the web and then create. After creating the Google Tag Manager account, then you have to go to your WordPress dashboard, and here you need to create one plugin. Add a new plugin here and search for GTM for WP. So here you can see the GTM for WP and install now and activate. So after activate, from here go to the setting, and here you will see the Google Tag Manager ID. So from here you can find the Google Tag Manager ID from here. Just copy and paste here, save change, and then go to the integration. From the integration you'll see the Woocommerce. Click on that, and here you have to click on those options. You have to click on track enhance e-commerce, and here you can see the customer data in data layer and the order data in data layer, and then save it. So I already added the data layer from the website. Now I have to check it from the tag manager. Just go to the preview option, so after connecting the website, I can see here the view item list, and if I go to any specific product page, then I can see the view item event fired, and from the data layer option you can see all the data layer code, the e-commerce. Here is the items, item ID, item name, all things you can see from here. And after add to cart, let's make a purchase from here and check it how it works. So I'm just making a purchase from here for test purpose. Place an order. So after the place order, you can see here the purchase event, the fire. So all the e-commerce, here is the currency, items, item ID, the purchase value here. So all things actually fired. Even you can see here is the vegan checkout event, and here is the view item. So I think all the event fired here, and it's working properly actually. So this is the short process how you can set up your data layer in the Woocommerce store. And if you want to set up or fix any conversion tracking issue, you can reach out to me. You will get the details in my description box. And if you find the video helpful for you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.